Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products for your needs. Today, we're reviewing one of the top-rated speedloaders available, the Safariland J-K2C Comp 2 Speedloader. If you're in search of a reliable and high-quality reloading tool, this might just be the perfect fit for you. The Safariland J-K2C Comp 2 Speedloader is known for its efficiency and ease of use. Made with durable injection-molded plastic, it features a medium-sized knob that makes it easier to lock and unlock, ensuring a secure fit every time. This speedloader is perfect for those who need to quickly reload their revolver during a high-stakes situation, whether you're at the range, in competition, or using it for personal protection. One of the standout features of this speedloader is its compatibility. It fits a variety of revolvers including the Dan Wesson .38 and .357 models, several Smith & Wesson K-frame models, and even Taurus 66 and 689 revolvers. This makes it a versatile option for different users who own firearms from these popular brands. It's designed to make reloading quick and effortless, saving you time and energy. For those who value comfort, the Safariland J-K2C Speedloader is ambidextrous, meaning it can be used comfortably by both left and right-handed users. It also has a sleek black finish, which adds a professional look while blending well with your gear. Whether you're a seasoned shooter or just starting out, this tool is sure to enhance your reloading process, allowing you to stay focused on what matters most. Additionally, the compact size of this speedloader makes it easy to carry in a pocket, pouch, or range bag without adding unnecessary bulk. With its robust design and easy-to-use mechanism, it's no wonder that this product has become a go-to choice for many gun owners. In terms of maintenance, the Safariland J-K2C Comp 2 Speedloader is incredibly low maintenance. The durable plastic construction ensures that it can handle the wear and tear of regular use, while the smooth action ensures you can reload smoothly and without hesitation each time. If you've been looking for a speedloader that offers great functionality, durability, and versatility, the Safariland J-K2C Comp 2 Speedloader stands out as one of the best options on the market. It is affordable, easy to use, and compatible with several popular revolver models, making it a must-have accessory for anyone who wants to improve their reloading experience. That wraps up our review of the Safariland J-K2C Comp 2 Speedloader. If you're in need of a speedloader that gets the job done efficiently and reliably, this product is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews like this one. Stay tuned for our next video.